Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a super handy skill in Google Sheets, how to easily copy just your filtered rows. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to quickly pull out only the information you need, whether it's for sharing with a teammate, preparing a report, or just keeping your workspace organized. So let's jump right in and make your sheet work smarter for you. Let's imagine you've got a budget sheet with different categories, like rent, utilities, groceries, and more. Maybe you only want to focus on a few, say just rent, utilities, and groceries, and copy those somewhere else. There's a quick and precise way to do this using Google Sheets filter tool. First, look at the top of your data table where you've listed category names like category, budgeted amount, and actual amount. What you want to do here is activate the filter, so go to the top menu, find data, and click on it. This will reveal a bunch of options, but you want to spot the filter icon. It looks a bit like a funnel. When you click on that filter button, you'll notice small filter icons pop up right at the header of each column in your table. Think of these as little selectors that let you view just the information you're interested in. Now let's target exactly the rows we want. Say we're focusing on rent, utilities, and groceries, and we don't need to see the other categories right now. Head over to the category column in your table right at the top beside the word category. There will now be a small funnel icon. Give that a click and you'll see a drop-down list that shows all the different categories in your sheet. By default, every category is checked, which means every row is visible. What you want to do here is uncheck the categories you don't want to copy. Things like transportation, entertainment, subscriptions, savings, and emergency fund. Just uncheck those boxes and the rows linked to those categories will temporarily disappear from view. It's kind of like telling Google Sheets, show me just the stuff I actually care about. The only rows you'll see now are the ones for rent, utilities, and groceries. Don't worry, your other data isn't gone, it's just hidden for now so you can work more efficiently. This step can feel a bit strange the first time, but filtering is a safe way of narrowing your focus, not deleting anything. With only the rows you want showing, it's time to copy them. Click and drag to select the filtered rows. Make sure to get all the cells, not just the first column. If you're selecting from the row numbers, hold down the Control key or CMD on Mac while clicking, which helps if the rows aren't next to each other. But filtering makes it so they're already grouped together for you. Now just right-click and choose Copy, or press Ctrl plus C, CMD plus C on Mac. Head over to where you want to paste this data. It could be another part of your sheet or even another Google Sheet entirely. Click the starting cell where you want to paste it, right-click again and pick Paste, or press Ctrl plus V, CMD plus V on Mac. And just like that, you'll see only the selected rows appear, no extra clutter. That's really all there is to it. Filtering and copying can save you so much time, especially when you're working with busy spreadsheets and just need to zero in on the info that matters. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or want to see more Google Sheets tips, just drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.